Hey friends, this is RC back again, and today we are going to make something very special for this Christmas and New Year, and it is a bread pudding, steaming hot bread pudding. In this we are going to add raisins, apples and cinnamon, and of course cinnamon is going to give a very amazing taste to our bread. So let's see the process, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. Here I have taken cranberry multigrain bread, but you can take any kind of bread and cut it into small pieces. ब्रेड को किसी भी शेप में काटना है. You can just cut it into any shape or any size. Switch on the gas and boil 2 cups of milk. Four spoons of sugar. We are going to add the sugar in the milk. Here I have cinnamon powder, Cayumanis bubuk, which we are going to take 1/4 teaspoon powder. We are going to add in the milk. Give it a stir. Keep stirring it. Mix it well. Cinnamon is going to give very good flavor to your bread pudding. Now milk is boiling. Switch off the gas. Our ingredients are ready. Cinnamon milk with sugar, some raisins, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, chopped apples, cinnamon powder and bread slices. I've taken half here and half I have kept for the second layer. Pour the milk on the bread. Make sure that all the slices are well soaked. Now next step is we are going to add some raisins. Sunflower seeds, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are my favorite, so I usually add a lot. Chopped apples, sprinkle some more cinnamon powder. Our first layer is ready. Now second layer we are going to again put some bread slices on the top. Just spread it well. Same step. We are going to pour our remaining milk. Press the slices well. I had taken 8 big slices of bread and 2 cups of milk. Now for the second layer again some chopped apples, raisins. Here I have taken golden raisins, whichever raisins you have at home, green or black, you can use any. Sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, some cinnamon powder needs to be sprinkled. I think I sprinkle it with the pinch. so that it can spread faster. Now this is ready to be baked. If you want, you can even steam it in the steamer. I have some malai here. The cream, when you boil the milk, it comes on the top. So this is the thick malai, and I just beated it with the spoon. And now the final thing is you need to put few spoons of malai on the bread pudding. If you want, you can replace the malai with the cream. It's optional. If you don't want to put, it's okay. But it gives a very rich taste to the bread pudding. It's a fresh malai. Better use a fresh one. Or fresh cream can also do. मलाई से इसमें बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट आता है. Sprinkle some more cinnamon because it's apple, raisins and cinnamon bread pudding. See how well it looks. So it's ready to go in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Our pudding is looking absolutely gorgeous. Those who have extra sweet tooth, they can add some condensed milk on the top or sprinkle some frosting sugar. Our bread pudding is ready now, and you can see it's full of raisins and seeds. So I'm going to taste it now. Very good taste, and the taste of cinnamon, raisins and apples, it goes very well together. Must try it and enjoy